In this video we can see that how we can implement filter in a Spring Boot application. So we can see in Tomcat application how filter works, and but we can easy way we can also implement in a Spring Boot application. So we can create one filter component, and it's do filter method. We can add and chain, filter chain, do filter, solid request and solid response. So this way we can implement in a Spring Boot application. Now we can start the application and see it's throw any issue for running application or not. So everything is fine, so we can add. Now we add one SOP here. Restart the application and check. After calling you can call, yeah, it's working. So before calling any API, it's call, so that's working. Now we can we can implement in a Spring Boot application.